Afternoon, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for all the new subscribers and comments and everything. We've got a real quick brush video, seems you guys like that, so I'll just flip you around, show you what we've got. We've got outside the front of one of our sites, we've got a load of moss up the paths here. Now it's not really down to us to do it, but the council aren't going to. So we're coming out here doing this free of charge. Clean all this up along here. See what we can do. No big sack today, just a little sack.
Point me in the direction of Bucket's farm.
I thought he was going to ask for some brushing, not directions. So just giving this a bit of a blow off. Oh, watch out, Postman Pat. Yeah, can't get that bit. It's not the cleanest. I thought this surface would actually clean up a lot easier than what it has done. It's normally the way where you do someone a favour and it never goes easily, does it? So let's get in here now. I'm sure it's going to look good once we've finished, but it's not as easy as what I thought.
Impressive bit of equipment.
Yeah, it's not bad, isn't it?
Do you have to do it? Is it because it's...
Council wouldn't do this bit, so I'm doing it for the residents in here.
Yeah, because
Well, it gets slippery, doesn't it? And then it's like yourself. Yeah.
I can tell you what, I've fallen out. I went arse over the thing up. Do you know the mount?
Yeah, I know
Just
the
up
mount.
the mount, if you've got the mount on the left hand side, there's
Yeah.
a close up near the top, just after
What, and it's covered in moss, is
It's
it?
covered in moss, and
Yeah.
I just walked out of it and went, boom, and, you know.
Yeah. So this is actually proving pretty difficult because it's very sort of, it's sloping down, and obviously there's not a lot of space there. Normally what I do is come in like this, but yeah, it's pretty difficult, but then again it's still a lot safer. I'm sure everyone getting some funny looks from people driving past, obviously wondering what I'm doing. So, a bit awkward this one. Plan is shovel this up and then probably run over this middle section again and just go back over it without all the debris there. And then I think we'll just give it a blow. We're not going to spray anything here because there's no one paying for it. Let's go empty that bag, get another one, get this cleaned up. Right, so I know I said I wasn't going to spray this, but if we can get this video 1,000 likes, I will come back here and spray this free of charge. So it's up to you guys. We're building this community up, so drop a like and please subscribe, and then we can get this sprayed. So we've reached the end of the video now, all finished up, just blown all the paths off, as you can see here. We've got most of it. There's a few bits in the corners here. I do wonder if a terrazza would have done a better job here, but that's gone back now. Never going to be able to get in here. So it's up to you guys if we get back here and we spray this. So yeah, just go for a quick walk down here. Can't get any of this because it's so like ingrained. Definitely looks a lot nicer. Imagine once all this section dries, will look really good. I mean, it's a never-ending task here. We've sort of stopped here